Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of demodding to my IS250. I'm going to sell my VLAND taillights that I've had on here for like 2 years. I'm going to be upgrading to something a little bit later on. I'm going to go ahead and put my stock taillights on today and get this baby sold. So I have my original 2007 taillights still in the box with all the packaging. And I'm going to go ahead and remove everything. If you guys watched one of my old videos when I installed these, you'll see how I did it. But we'll go ahead and just time lapse through that today to get these babies off, repackage them, and get them to the new owner. All right, I got the inners taken off. I didn't realize there's only 3 screws instead of 4. I do this every time I take these things out. I always take both those nuts out over here, but one of them holds this panel and one of them holds the light. So just pay attention to that. You don't have to take all 4 of them out. You just need to take 3. There we have it, boys. Back to original OEM 2007 taillights with the red outs on the turn signals. You can see it does look kind of good, all redded out. I haven't seen this in a couple years. I kind of like this look, but it is 2021 and there's so many different taillight options out there now that you got to upgrade to make your car look nice. And over here you see I still have the original VLAND box. I'm gonna box everything back together, including all the original plastics and everything, and deliver this to the new buyer that's gonna meet up with me later today. Guys, thanks for tuning in on this quick demodding video on my IS250. I'm gonna be upgrading those taillights soon. They should be here in like a month and a half, hopefully sooner, so I get them on here. They're the new style taillights with the same VLAND look with the little swooshes on the end, but they have like the sequential turn signal and they have that animation. Stay tuned for a future episode where I upgrade to that. These are like $400 right now from AliExpress or on eBay, and it takes like a month and a half to get here, so hopefully they get here soon and we get them on the car. And to stay up to date on all the mods on my IS250, my IS300, and anything I'm doing around the garage, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time.